Hey, this is Andrew Rains with Apex Pro. We're here today to answer frequently asked questions sponsored by Winding Road Racing. So the LEDs on the Apex Pro display are showing you how much potential grip is available. Now we do that with two colors, red and green. You can configure those colors in the app, but for today's video we're going to stick with red and green. So red represents the potential. That means the potential of the tire's grip, not how much lap time you're gaining by, not any other metric, right? Just think about the grip of the tire, its adhesion. If there's red lights displayed on the Apex unit, that means the tire has more potential to grip. That means you could brake later and harder. You could roll more speed through the corner, or you could get on the power exiting a corner a little bit sooner. The green lights, well, those represent your performance as a fraction of that potential. So if you're not maximizing the display, if you're not seeing green lights in the middle of the corner, that simply means the tire has more grip available.